Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Race Trade, and today we're doing an update about EarnX prop firm. Now, if you've been following my videos, you know I've already talked about this prop firm before, so if you haven't seen those yet, make sure to check them out. In those videos, I went over their plans and how these prop firm works. So, just as a quick reminder, EarnX is a broker-backed infrastructure platform that delivers microsecond execution with institutional spreads. They also provide premium liquidity, which is the kind of foundation that professional traders really depend on. Now let's take a look at their Trustpilot rating again. As you can see, they're still holding a strong score with an excellent rating of 4.7. Traders continue to explore this platform and the feedback has been mostly positive. For example, one recent review mentioned that a trader's account was briefly affected because of the stop loss rule, but the prop firm actually helped recover that account and gave the trader another chance. That shows you how they're handling things fairly and supporting their users. On top of that, EarnX currently has a promotion running. Right now, you can get 50% off plus a free instant account if you use the special promo codes they're offering. This deal is only available for a limited time, so don't miss it. And of course, you can explore more about EarnX directly. You'll find trader feedback, community chats, and even payout proofs from people who've already been paid. These latest payout proofs confirm that EarnX is continuing to deliver on what they promise. All right, guys, so going back to the EarnX website, let's check into the instant funding account because I know a lot of traders are really curious about how this works. Many people ask about instant funding, and I want to walk you through everything step by step so it's clear. Now, this is one of the most popular features of the prop firm, so let's break it down. With EarnX, traders can enjoy an 80% profit split. In fact, you can request your payout every 14 days, which is pretty flexible. They also offer global potential, giving you access to up to $2 million in trading capital. You can start with accounts as small as $10,000 and go all the way up to $100,000. On top of that, they provide institutional trading conditions, a community-driven approach, and an inclusive trading environment. Now let's focus on the EarnX Express Instant account. This account gives you instant funding right away. All you need to do is manage your drawdown and follow the consistency rule, and you'll be eligible for payouts. The Express Instant accounts come in different sizes, starting from as low as $1,250 all the way up to $50,000. Right now, they're offering some great discounted prices. For example, you can get a $1,250 account for just $18. If you want something bigger, a $5,000 account is available for only $45. And for the maximum instant funding option, which is $50,000, the price is just $279. That's a pretty solid deal considering the funding you're getting access to. Of course, there are a few requirements to be eligible for payouts. You'll need to complete at least 5 trading days. There's also a daily drawdown limit of 3%, a maximum overall drawdown of 6%, and you'll need to maintain a consistency score of 25%. And just to clarify, that consistency score means your average win rate across all your trading days. And if you have any questions or need clarifications, you can always reach out to their support team. They're available to help you out. Now, EarnX rewards consistent performance. They have a bi-weekly payout system with 24-hour processing. That means you can start with an 80% profit split and scale your account up to $2 million through consistent trading. The performance rewards include up to 80% profit split, fast processing where payouts are handled within 24 to 48 hours of approval, and scaling opportunities. With scaling, your capital allocation can increase by 40% every 2 months as long as you maintain proven, consistent performance. Over time, that can bring your total allocation all the way up to $2 million. If you want to learn more, you can visit their website and check the help center where they also have frequently asked questions. In particular, the EarnX Express Instant Funding account we're discussing requires you to maintain the daily drawdown and active trading days. An active trading day simply means any calendar day where you open and close at least one trade. They also have a stop loss rule that you need to follow. Every trade must have a stop loss set within 120 seconds or 2 minutes after you open it. If you fail to set that stop loss within the time frame, it's considered a hard breach and your account could be terminated. So definitely keep that rule in mind. Another important factor is the consistency rule. This is calculated by taking your best day's profit and your worst day's loss, then dividing that by your total profits and multiplying by 100. This gives you your consistency score, which needs to be at least 25%. To give an example, if your best day made a big profit and your worst day had a loss, the platform wants to make sure your overall performance isn't too unbalanced. They're rewarding steady, consistent trading, not gambling. On the topic of risk exposure, remember this: you can open multiple positions in a single day, but your total exposure per pair or per trade must never exceed 1%. This is part of their standard rules to protect against reckless risk-taking. Going above that limit would be considered a violation. Now, let's look at their payout policy. For instant funding accounts, payouts are available 14 days after your very first trade with an 80% profit share. But to qualify for review, your account must hit at least a 5% profit, and you must follow all the rules. Only accounts that meet those criteria will be reviewed and approved for payout. The review process usually takes at least 2 business days, including the day you pass. And here's something important. Right now, EarnX is running a promotion. You can get 50% off on all evaluation accounts, plus a free account to pass. If you want to buy an account, you just need to click the buy button on their website. Once you click it, you'll select the account type you prefer. For example, if you choose an instant funding account with $10,000 in capital, you only need to pay $79. From there, you'll fill out your details and pay using credit card, crypto, or other confirmed payment methods. So yeah, that's the full review of the EarnX Instant Funding account and their current promotion. Don't forget to check them out if you want to learn more, and make sure to grab that deal while it's still available. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and leaving a comment about what you think of this review. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.